Hi! In front of me is REALME GT 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, access calendar by clicking on it, and then click on this icon over here at the bottom right corner. When you're ready, select got it, and finally tap on the month above. Over here you need to pick a date by tapping on the one that you want to set up. In my case, for example, that one. Now create your event by tapping over here, or choose this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event from here. Either way, over here you can customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Over here pick starting hour or ending one. You can also disable this feature completely by tapping on the switcher over here. Then click on does not repeat and select one of those options if you wish to. I will go with every year. You can also add people from your contact book, add video, add location over here, select while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on one of those options. Now you need to set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before your event and change color. When you're ready, you can also take some notes, add attachments and save your event by choosing save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to tap on it and click on pen icon at the bottom right corner. At the top right corner. Then make your changes and click save at the bottom right corner as well. Then pick one of those options. I will go with all events and tap on save in the pop-up. Lastly, if you wish to get rid of your event, you can do that by clicking on it, choosing those three dots at the top right corner, selecting delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!